Robert Garcia still trying to talk to Brandon and giving him some tips. I think they're still deliberate in what they want to do. Going into the 6th round, I think in general, by the way the fight is going and how Rios is fighting, they want to prolong this fight. There is, as we have not talked about it in the 4-point, the age difference. We have not looked at that quite early, primarily because we know that Manny is going to top condition. However, sometimes you don't know when that kicks in. So somehow I think they're looking at that, trying to prolong the fight. Hopefully Manny, from their side, from Rios' side, don't punch himself.
Well, 37-year age difference, but with the number of punches that Manny has thrown, and he has hit Brandon Rios, probably the age difference is the total difference.
Brandon Rios a little more careful now moving in kasi alam niya, pagpasok niya, tinatamaan siya ni Manny. So now he's throwing that left jab, trying to establish some kind of control, maybe shortening the distance.
Hindi naman po dahil mag-susunod na sa pedante o tinamaan si Manny.
And Manny must be careful. That defense must be there. Shot to the body by Manny Pacquiao. When Manny's standing up, when he's in front of Bam Bam Rios, tatamaan siya, so he's got to move.
Well, the angle production really has to be here at this point for Manny because the gloves of Rios, I think, yes, slowly we're being reminded by the Clotti defense. Napag-usap ko natin kanina. Yung gloves parati nakapasa harap. He has to find that angle. Try to open him up by hitting him on the side, on the angle. That's what he's trying to do.
Right hand coming from Bam Bam Rios.
There you go.
Manny doing the right thing and picking his shots. He's not rushing things. Hindi siya nagmamadali dito. He does not want to get careless.
So well, starting to flow from the left eyebrow. Sabay pa kami nagpo-pumari sa monitor namin dito.
Target ko ni Mario, baka Mario, maging parang Margarito.